I would say yes. We've basically made it through the best part of our day weather-wise on Cape Cod. The farther north that you are, you got a little bit more time before the rain moves on in, but this is going to be a nor'easter that really peaks overnight. So let me show you what's on our radar. The next 12 hours, yes, the rain and the wind, they move in. With this really peaking in the overnight hours into Monday, this is a slow-moving storm. It takes a while to get out of here, but you know what? We're in the midst of one holiday weekend. Let's look toward the upcoming weekend. It's looking a whole lot nicer ahead of the Charles coming in next weekend. Looks like the weather's going to be much nicer for that. So that is some good news to share with you. We also need the rain. So getting rain is a good thing, right? But look at these totals. 1 to 4 inches of rain. Lowest amounts is the western half of the state where we get 1 to 2. It's the eastern half of the state where we get 2 to 4, and really targeting southeastern Massachusetts for the potential of those amounts that are closer to 4, if not some locally higher amounts over 4 inches. But this is going to be spread out over 3 days. So I'm not overly concerned with flooding unless you're dealing with a poor drainage situation. So make sure as the leaves come down with the rain and the wind, you're keeping those storm drains clear. The storm itself spinning here off the Carolinas. And even at this distance from us, we're already seeing the clouds. Rain has overspread Nantucket. The storm comes up the coast, runs into high pressure, so it slows down. And that's why it's hanging around into Tuesday and also really ramping up those winds. Those are starting to pick up this morning. We'll stop the clock here at 8 o'clock this evening. We're getting a lot of gusts over 30 miles per hour, but the Cape is gusting over 40. And in the overnight hours and first thing Monday, that's when the winds are at their strongest, coming from the northeast, gusting over 40 miles per hour in many areas, but gusting near and over 50 miles per hour for the Cape and the islands. And that is where we do have a wind advisory going into effect at 5 o'clock today for the Cape, and a high wind warning with those gusts closer to 60 miles per hour on the islands. And this lasts through Monday evening, and then the winds will gradually step down. So with those winds and high astronomical tides, we do have the potential of some minor coastal flooding. There's a coastal flood advisory up through Monday evening. At times of high tide, we could see up to a foot of inundation in some of our shore roads and low-lying areas. The tide is higher this afternoon than it is tomorrow afternoon, but I'm actually a little bit more concerned with tomorrow afternoon's high tide because you're going to have the wave action and the wind kind of piling up, and I think we'll have the highest seas by then as well. So something to watch if you live along the coastline. You can see the temperatures are in the 50s now. They stay in the 50s all day long, and after 1 o'clock this afternoon, that's when the rain is coming into Boston. But again, it's spreading up from the south. So take a look hour by hour here. By 2 o'clock this afternoon, you are wet down on the south coast, the Cape and the islands, but barely just starting to get into the rain around Boston. It really overspreads the rest of the area as we get deeper into the afternoon and the evening. And as we go into the overnight hours, the intensity is going to ramp up. See the yellows showing up in the overnight hours? Those are heavier rains, downpours, kind of a wind-swept downpour coming in the overnight hours. And this is with us into early Monday. It is a holiday. Fortunately, we're not looking at a big commute, but we will have periods of rain continuing during the day on Monday, even into Tuesday morning. And then during the afternoon on Tuesday, this starts to pull away. We're left with clouds, some spotty drizzle, and conditions get a whole lot nicer here as we get into Wednesday with clearing skies and dry weather expected to carry us through the end of the week and into the upcoming weekend. Temperatures running a little cool, 50s, 60s, but certainly looking better heading into next weekend.